1 in 5 homes in the United States runs off a septic system. That means that over 1 million homeowners are dealing with installing and maintaining a septic system to keep their home's waste running smoothly.
For many homeowners with septic systems, there's a common misconception that septic systems don't require maintenance or ongoing attention, most especially when there's a newer installation. It's very important for homeowners to understand their septic systems. The septic system is a big investment. When there's a new installation, a septic system can be as much as $50,000 in order to protect that investment and help the septic system last as long as possible. It's very important for the homeowners to really understand their system, the type of system, how it operates, and what can be done to help it to last longer.
We are a full-service company, which includes inspections for real estate transactions for both buyers and sellers of homes. From that, we offer repairs, both small and large, depending on the situation. And of course, installations of new septic systems, both conventional style systems and advanced treatment systems. We're very proud of our recycling pump truck. It's the first of its kind in the state of New Jersey. It's a green technology vehicle. In the past, our other trucks are very conventional, which means for every gallon of liquid you remove from a septic tank, you're forced to take that gallon to a recycling center or a treatment facility. And at that point, it's very inefficient. So a truck can only do a certain amount of jobs per day. Now, with this new technology, what we do is we actually separate out the solid waste. We'll phase pump the tank. We first remove all of the liquid, then we remove all of the solids. We filter out the liquid to remove all the solids, and then we return that good bacteria-filled water back into the tank. So an average tank, if it's a 1,000-gallon tank, we can be 70 to 85% efficient on recycling our waste. Therefore, we're reducing fuel, we're reducing emissions, we're optimizing our routes, and we are providing a better service to our clients. Well, in our industry, software really doesn't exist. We created this. It is custom software. How we optimize our routes is everything is built in a neighborhood concept. There's 2 parts to be efficient. Number 1 is having a platform to organize all of our information on the customer and the equipment they have. And number 2, when it actually comes time for service, it's very important to optimize your routes, send out your technicians with the proper equipment, tools, know the history of the septic system before they arrive, and then be able to draw on that information in the future to change the regimen for the customer if their needs change. There's over 1 million septics in New Jersey alone. And most often when you have a private septic, you also have a private well. So it is very important to maintain your system not only to extend the life of it, but to protect our drinking water.
For any homeowners to help their system last as long as possible, maintenance is very important. As we first said, it's important to learn about the system, what's involved in regular maintenance, pay attention to the recommendations from regulators and your local service provider, and don't ignore the system.
We often get asked the question, how do I extend the life of my septic system? And the answer is simple, enrolling into our protection program. The protection program includes 3 things. Routinely pumping out your septic tank. We often recommend, depending upon how many people live in the home, pump outs every 1 to 3 years. Part 2, installing an effluent filter into your septic tank. The effluent filter is installed in the outlet baffle. It helps retain solids, and by doing so, extends the life. Part 3 is by using the proper additive to help digest the waste within the tank. All 3 parts together will help extend the life of your septic system.
Proper care and maintenance is the key to a long-lasting septic system. If you're looking for a new system or to maintain your current one, visit their website, nj-septic.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.